Hey, what's up guys? Morning. Let me turn the aircon off. That's it. Yeah, so morning everyone. Driving today, no bike. Wonder why? Yeah, bike broke down, almost dead. Technically the bike's dead. It's in the shop, died on me a couple of days ago. Took it in, I was coming back from work, stopped in a petrol station, tried to get some air into my tires. Went to start the bike up, well guess what, it never did. And I don't know, it was making a funny clicking noise. I just thought it's the battery that's dead. So I got it on the main road, got it on the motorway again, started pushing it and everything. Well, nothing like being stranded on the bike. I think the battery is dead, but it won't start up. Now, I know there's like a small bit downhill up after the sign. So I'm going to try to get it there and get it to roll a bit and then hopefully kickstart it. Yeah. Just what I want. So yeah, how's everyone doing? I'm alright. Pushing on my bike, getting in my daily exercise. Yeah, did I mention I think I've got a puncture in the rear tire as well, because it's been a week now. I keep losing pressure in it. I need to fill it up with air every 2 to 3 days. I think PSI wise it should be at 43. Usually gets down to 36, 35 after 2 days. I just need to push it down the hill. The battery is dead. It's alright, as soon as I push it down the hill it will start. Thank you. Nice man. I'll be honest, barely hear what he was saying. Got earplugs in since I push down here. If not, I need to push it back up. This should be fun. So I'm not gonna do it on the road. Myself. Pushed it up a hill, then pushed it down a hill. The bike started, got on the motorway, A3, where I am now. I don't know, I think it ran for about 10 minutes, then the lights started dying out. The dash went first. No, the warning lights came on, so the engine light came on, the ABS light came on, the quick shifter light I think went off, so it started acting weird and everything. Then the warning lights just died out, but didn't just switch off, they kind of faded off, which was really weird. And then after that happened, the dash went, so the dashboard with all the lights and everything showing me the speed that I'm doing and all that died. After that went the indicators, and the front lights and everything went as well. It was in the middle of the night, the LEDs were still on, so people could still see me coming and everything, or hear me coming. So I thought I'll just try to rev it up a bit, get home quicker, and just, yeah, deal with it in the morning. While I was overtaking 2 cars, the engine died as well. drops are good then. Oh, for sake, man. Almost home. Well, man, at least it didn't blow up. Oh, died on me in the fast lane as well. Damn it! Okay, if I get hit by a car and someone sees this video, I love y'all. Hope you have a great life. And yeah, ride bikes. Here he is again.
Jump leads.
I'm alright, man. I'll get someone to come down and pick it up.
Sure?
Yeah, I think the electrics are fried or something.
It's either the battery or the alternator. Got the same problem in the Kawasaki.
I think it's from the rain or something, I don't know.
You sure you don't want to try and jump it?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Cables.
No, it's alright. So
sure?
I'll get someone to come down and pick you up.
Phone and everything, yeah?
Phone is charged.
Spot on.
Thanks a lot. Thank you though, yeah? You live in Guildford, yeah? Hmm? You live in Guildford?
I don't live too far around, I live in Wall.
I might see you around, that's why. Thanks a lot. Thanks, man. Again, man. What a nice guy. Which was not good at all. Yeah, I was waving my hand and everything, trying to get people to let me pull over and all that on in the emergency lane. So that happened. Stopped, called the AA. I think it took me about 3 to 4 hours to get home. So the AA showed up, the recovery. They can't do anything about it because the starter engine's blown basically. So I need a new starter engine and then the bike should be fine. Paul was the guy, really nice guy, really firm handshake. Thanks. And yeah, it is what it is. We're waiting for someone else now to pick me up. Take care, man. Yeah, I'll give you another update later on. There you are. We're finally going home. Well, we're going to the shop and then we're gonna go home. Thanks a lot, mate. That was fairly quick. Trailer as well. Yeah. We got it. Thanks. Can I sit on it while you're driving?
Go on, sit down like that.
Dropped the bike off in the shop, called them the morning after, dropped the key through the post bucket or post thing, whatever you call it. Called them the day after and told them, look, I left my bike there, this is what happened. They had a look at it, called me a few hours later. Sam at the motorbike shop, really nice guy. If you're planning to buy a bike, go to the motorbike shop, they're gonna treat you really, really well. So he gives me a ring and he's like, well, there's a few things wrong with it. The starter, I think, is gone. There's a relay or whatever. Nice bike, man. Probably on the motorway. The relay, I think that's what you call it. There's a few things. I'll make another video when I pick it up and when I tell you how much it cost me and everything else. But all in all, I think the parts, the hours that it's gonna take them to fix it and everything, I think it would have definitely been between 1,500 and 2,000 pounds if the bike wouldn't have been under warranty. So I don't know, my advice is always buy a new bike. Rather buy a cheaper new bike than buy an expensive second-hand bike. Because if this were to happen on a, I don't know, MT10, a S1000RR or something like that, it would cost you money, man. That'd be proper money. I mean, it's an MT09, very cheap, it's not that expensive. Just think about it. If you were to pay, I don't know, 2 grand to fix an MT09, imagine how much you'd pay to fix an S1000RR. That a lot, we're talking a lot of money. So yeah, if you can buy new, that's my advice. At least you get the warranty, you get things fixed on it. There were quite a lot of things that went wrong with the bike in the past 2 years that I've had it. So yeah, my recommendation is just make sure you get warranty on it. Even if you buy a second-hand one, just pay extra. Some bikes offer you, I don't know, the option, some shops offer you the option to pay extra to buy, I don't know, warranty on a second-hand bike. My advice, buy it, man, because so many things went wrong with my bike. Just watch the previous videos, I'll link them down in the description and everything. Just have a look at it. Mainly electrics. This is the first time that something went wrong within the engine. I know, yeah, again, it's electrically related, whatever you call it, but again, it went wrong. It's within the engine that things went wrong. So yeah, peace out. I'll give you an update when I pick the bike up. Had a flat tire as well on it, great. And I also had to pay to get the bike sorted out, no, to get the bike picked up and taken down to the shop and everything. I think that cost me about 120 pounds because I didn't have a relay service, so it's where they come and pick the bike up and take it wherever you want within 50 miles or something. I only had the option to get it fixed on the side of the road, and a van came out, they tried to fix it, couldn't, then they had to send a trailer out. They got the bike on the trailer and then took me to the shop, got the car to pick me up from the shop as well. It's not a Tesla, it doesn't drive itself on its own, obviously. And then yeah, just got myself home. That's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and see you soon, man. Peace.